welcome to Counter Diary. Counter Diary, we are telling you the untold stories of Liberia. My name is Emmanuel Wakotu. On today's edition of the show, we are looking at the road construction between the ELWA Junction up to the Redlight. So, but if you have just come in for the first time on the show, please subscribe to the YouTube channel. You already know this road construction has been going on for some period of time, but let's look at the progress level here. My name is Emmanuel Kotu. This is Counter Diary. We are telling the untold story of Liberia. Keep watching. So those of you still watching Counter Diary, like I told you earlier, the asphalt pavement have been done. Some area have been done already. Right here, you can see this go as far as the LBS. So we are going to be driving through, just so you know exactly what we're talking about as of the progress on the road construction here. This is what it is like, and you can see the guys, they're still at work, making sure that this work is completed in time. But there have been some complaint about some of the drivers and the motorcyclists are complaining that this work has delayed. So at this point, they are actually calling for a speedy work from the contractor and that of the government of Liberia. Keep watching. So we're about to drive from the ELWA Junction up to On July 29, 2018, President George Weah, along with former Ivorian international football star Didier Drogba and international partners, broke ground for the construction of the road from the commercial district of Redlight to the ELWA Junction in Paynesville. The 6.1 kilometer road cost $10.9 million United States dollars and is financed by the World Bank, Liberia Reconstruction Trust Fund, and the government of Liberia. The Liberia Reconstruction Trust Fund is supported by the European Union through the contribution of the government of Great Britain, Sweden, Norway, and Germany. The road project was originally set to be completed in 2 years, but has taken over 4 years, and yet the road is not completed. China Junction International Construction Corporation SICO has done a significant portion of the road from the Parker Paint Junction to ELWA Junction, as major work such as the construction of culverts along the road are all completed. However, motorcyclists and taxi drivers have frowned at the slow pace at which the construction is done.
Okay, in terms of the construction now, we are kind of appealing to the company and the government, because the government will pressurize the company will do it faster. Because now, most of us are going on a business. Because now, the little place that we get to sit and take care of our family, I think you are seeing, there's nobody here. We are just struggling, we are hanging because our country is difficult. What we find ourselves now to do, to live, and to do business.
We are dying with the doors and small thing. Now we are running because of the road condition.
You said about hurry over the road?
Yeah, at least you got to make it and hurry over the road because I'm small doors. The day and before the day, I change 2-3 times a day before you see how things going on.
Okay, so for you like the dust.
Yeah.
All right, so
my message to the contractor of this road, I want them to do a speed on the work now, because we are approaching the rainy season.
It is, however, unclear when the project will be completed, but the level of work done so far, it seems that the project will soon be completed. Okay, folks, thank you so much for watching this edition of the program, The Counter Diary. We are telling you the untold stories of Liberia. Now you know the progress level of the road construction from the ELWA up to Redlight, and I hope that government will speed up. Some are saying release is just around the corner. But thank you so much for watching this video. If you love the video, please hit the comment section, subscribe as well, and you can share the video as well. Many thanks to my producer, Jurasi Joe, who make this production a success. This is Counter Diary. My name is Emmanuel Kotu, and we are telling the untold stories of Liberia. Keep watching.